Well, hey y'all, welcome back to the garden. If you saw my June garden update, you know I have been waiting on these. Today I am finally harvesting my potatoes and garlic. It's always exciting to see what's been happening underground. So come along as I dig in and show you how it turned out. I planted these Yukon Golds a few months back. They were one of the first things that I tucked into the soil for this season. This is actually my first time ever growing white potatoes. I did last season. I did plant some sweet potatoes. I got a nice size harvest from those sweet potatoes, so I'm getting ready to see what I have here under this soil in this blue container, y'all. As I was recording, I didn't realize that I did not have the camera angled in the proper position so you could actually see very well, but I did show you at the end, what I did harvest. Trying to get myself prepped there, get my container to place those potatoes in, get my seat ready, get my little black bag where I can pour the soil out, where I can spread it out so I'm able to dig in and kind of look for gold, y'all. Yukon Gold potatoes. Being in zone 8, they do pretty well here. As long as the soil kind of stays loose and well drained. Throughout the growing season, I added a bit of compost to kind of keep it healed up a little bit during the season. I pulled some of the soil out in the container. I'm trying to lower the camera down some once I realized that I was not at a good angle and I had pretty much got most of them out. Y'all, I was very excited to even get this much. I think those were 5 plants, slips, as you would probably call those. And look at the potatoes. Nice, medium size, some small, but guess what? The small ones are gonna eat just like the large ones. Yep, here we go, y'all. My Yukon Gold harvest. And now on to the garlic. I planted these garlic cloves last fall. They have been slowly doing their thing all winter and spring. All right, y'all, I am sharing my small win. Even though it's just 3 of them, I'm proud of every bulb. I knew that they would be kind of ready when the bottom leaves started turning brown. And I want to give a huge shout out to one of my subscribers, and she is Dolores's Garden. She gifted me these garlic. Thank you, Dolores. I hope you are watching this video to see what I did harvest. All those that did survive. Since I have already pulled these up now, I will be placing them in a dry place for a couple of weeks before I'm able to use them then or store them. This helped them last longer and develop more flavor. So check out my harvest, y'all. My Yukon Gold potatoes and my garlic. How about that? Okay, y'all, that's today's little harvest. Humble but full of joy. If you're in zone 8, now is a great time to start planning for your fall garlic and maybe a late summer potato crop if you have time. If you are enjoying these garden moments, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Every little click helps this channel grow, and I truly appreciate your support.